Good evening. So for today's video discussion, we'll be discussing about the sources of magnetic field. So this will be in continuation with our discussion from the previous chapter, which is about magnetic forces and magnetic field. So in the previous chapter on magnetic field and magnetic forces, we only discussed how magnetic interactions occur, or how we only discuss how how an object would feel or experience magnetic forces, or how would the magnetic interactions occur. But in the previous uh, chapter, we did not discuss how these magnetic fields were created, or what are the sources of these um, magnetic fields. But remember, as I have mentioned also in the previous video, that the difference between the electrostatic interaction and the magnetism is that in electrostatics we only deal with uh, the charges, or we consider the charges to be at rest, whereas for magnetism we consider the charges to be uh, moving. So basically here it's sa idea na to regarding magnetism, as na mention ako before, nga ang isa ka moving charge would experience magnetic force from a magnetic field. But that magnetic field nga iyahang na experience, I mean, ang katong magnetic field sad nga murag source of force nga iyang na-experience is basically would also only occur or kanang happen if ang source ato mismo is nag-move kibali, or na moving charges. So again, ang idea mismo din sa magnetism is that charges are moving kibali. So last time in the previous po na nga chapter, we discussed on say interaction or say magnetic forces nga ma-encounter sa isa ka charge, nga isa lang ka charge nga nag-move sa isa ka conductor. And then we also discuss kung kapoy ka na murag ang overall kay kabalo man ta nga ang isa ka charge kay ang current kay it's basically consists of several moving charges. So we also discussed last time unsa pud ang magnetic force nga ma-encounter sa isa ka wire nga nag-carry og kanang current. So in the same nga manner here will also be or kato from that idea daan nga ang isa ka charge kay maka-experience og magnetic force, o ang isa ka wire nga naay current kay maka-experience pud og kanang magnetic force. So we can also conclude sad nga ang atong magnetic field can be, or ang source rather sa itong magnetic field would now be also from a moving charge or from a moving current. I mean, or from a wire na to that carries a current, kibali. So, with that one mo na nga itong idea, unsa man ang unsa may magnetic field, sa may equation sa magnetic field na to nga mag-form na to because of those conditions. So, we have moving charge and you have a wire in the conductor, kibali. So, here, ang sa atong equation na to for the magnetic field because of or due to the moving charge is simply given by this equation. So be familiarized sa equation na to diyan. So the magnetic field is given by the symbol B again, and you have mu sub zero here. The mu sub zero is our magnetic constant, and the value for the magnetic constant is 4 pi. Let me check if we have that value here. Here, we have the value of the magnetic constant. You have the value of the magnetic constant, which is equal to 4 pi times 10 to the negative 7 Tesla meter per ampere. So again, this is memorize this value. So this is also another important constant you have to memorize aside from the in electrostatic condition. We have the electric constant, the epsilon of zero here. For the magnetic interaction, we have the mu sub zero, which is the magnetic constant. So again, you have 4 pi times 10 to the negative 7 decimeter per ampere. So, balik ko na to ha. Ang atong equation for the magnetic field due to a moving charge is given by this equation. You have mu sub zero over 4 pi times QV across r hat over r squared. So again, notice here that magnetic field is simply the cross product between the two vector quantities here. So our vector quantities done here is the velocity of the charge. So you have v of the charge, and then you have r hat. So notice this is r hat and not vector r. So pasabot is this is the unit vector nato. And later I'll give you an equation for this one nga, 'di ba? Kabalo man jud ta nga ang ato ang isa ka vector kay magnitude times ang iyang direction. So meaning to say, ang unit vector nato would always be equal to the vector divided by the magnitude of that vector equivale. So generally mo na nga tong equation for the unit vector. So it is equal to the vector. So meaning when I say vector, magnitude and direction, and then divided by the magnitude niya. So we have q v cross r hat. So v again is the velocity, and then you have r hat, which is the unit vector. So it points towards where the field is measured kibali. And r na to dani is again the distance from the point charge and to where the field is measured, or basically this is now our field point distance. So mo na ang distansya nato at the instant nga aga move ang charge, dapit ang charge during sa iyang motion from from the field point to that, I mean from the location of the charge to the field point, mao na nga to ang r nato. And again, the idea of or the since again magnetic field is a vector quantity man gihapon ni siya. So where the direction of the magnetic field can be obtained by the right hand rule gihapon. So from that one, if you say right hand rule, uh, we can use our middle no, our index finger, the index finger as our the direction of our velocity, and then you have our middle finger, which would be the direction of the unit vector r. So you have to point the direction of your middle finger sa vector r nato, and then you have the thumb that would also be this would be the direction of your magnetic field. But remember that the right hand rule here in this case for this equation is only valid for a positive charge, so take note of that. Again, the right hand rule ng equation nga rule for the direction is valid for the positive charge lang. For a negative charge, still we'll be using the right hand rule, but instead of I simply using the direction of the thumb, we'll be using the direction opposite to our thumb, kibali. So meaning to say, we'll still have two pointed directions of our Q with using the index finger, our R hat with the middle finger, and then the point outward gapon na to ang thumb using the I mean, point outward gyapon nato atong thumb, and from the reverse or the opposite direction, ang opposite direction sa imong thumb would now then be the direction of the magnetic field for a negative charge nga nag-move kibali. So kani siya ang atong equation nato dian ha. So that's the equation for our magnetic field due to a moving charge. On the other hand, since as we know, if we have a moving charge, if there are now several moving charge, what we have basically inside the wire is the current. So if we have a current or a small portion of current through the wire, so we're not considering our long wire, but simply a portion of the wire, then ang atong equation na would then be given by this equation and ma-change na po siya into this one. You have mu sub 0 over 4 pi times I, which is the current, and then you have the dl here, which is now our vector length of element. So it's simply ang length nato, pero gutangan murag length na to with the direction sa kuan kung aha padulong ang imong current. We know man nga ang current is not a vector quantity. Naalay flow sa imong charges aha um ah, sa naaha ang unsay murag direction sa separation sa charges na to within the wire. But again, current is not a vector quantity, it's a scalar quantity. So sa DL na to danhe, ang length na to diri mura siya ma-consider nato nga displacement sa imong charges kibali. So particularly sa positive charges nato. So ang DL nato diri is ang length nimo, and then iyang direction is kung aha padulong ang imong current. And then again here, we now have our R hat again Danny. This is again our R hat. So that's the direction from the again the unit vector rather from the uh, location of the current to the field point nato. So mora gyapon ang atong kuan dihan ha. And again right hand rule gyapon ang atong gamiton diyan nga kuan with our index finger on the direction of the current, our R hat, I mean the middle finger with the direction of our R hat, and then our B for the kuan for the thumb na sad. And unlike ganina nga sa ganina kay charge man to, ang charge kay it could be positive or negative man, karon sa current nato kay kabalo man ta nga ang current nato is simply the motion opposite to the uh, separation of electrons, I mean the separation of negative and positive charges in the wire. So meaning to say ang opposite mismo kung ang conventional nato nga direction sa current is towards or opposite man sa motion sa atong negative charges. So dinhi consider din siya nga more ang right hand rule nato is only basically for the direction of the current. So wala na tayong mag opposite nga i-consider pareha ganina sa current element nato. I mean sa charge nato ganina. Now, balik sa tattoo di ay, ganina di ba or in the previous nga chapter, as na-mention nako, basically labi na sa katong sa Gauss law for magnetism, we already know that from Gauss law for magnetism, uh, there magnetic monopole does not exist. So wala exist ang magnetic monopole kay kabalumantang ang atong magnetic field kay ga-form dyan na permanently og closed loop. So for example, consider this diagram or illustration here. So kani nga situation diyan ni kaning murag X na to nga makita nato diri sa ani nga portion. This is somehow a wire, kani wire ni siya na or not wire, a charge rather. In this case, ang iba sa katong gipakita po nako in the previous video sad when I say if we have a symbol X diyan ha, meaning to say ang direction nga vector is inward of the screen or into the screen. And then if we have a circle nga direction, nga makita diyan ha, that is say you have an outward nga direction of the vector quantity. Now in this case kay ang atong consider kay moving charge man. So for this case na ang atong ipasabot diyan is that this one here is simply the kuan the V of your charge. So aside sa katong gigon ako ganina nga right hand rule nga i-point nato ang atong cue sa direction sa imong V, ang imong R hat sa imong middle finger, ang imong B sa imong thumb. Pwede ra pud nato siya visualize gyapon by right hand rule gyapon nga simply by curling our thumb. So ang thumb nato is i-point nato sa direction towards the velocity. And then since nag-mention man ko ganina 'di ba nga bag-o lang nga ang magnetic field nato kay mag-form gyud na siya og loop. So meaning to say kanang curl nga atong gi kuan katong curl nga akong gi-mention sa imong right hand rule, mao na siya ang murag direction sa imong magnetic field around the charge kung aha man gani siya padulong. So for example, 'di ba? Try to imagine using this illustration here. So for this particular nga diagram, we know that the charge is moving into the plane or moving into the screen. So meaning to say kung mag right hand rule ta, pwede na ko i-curl lang ako ang right hand and then akong thumb i-point na ko towards sa screen, towards sa screen. So kung akong curl ang akong hand, makita ninyo nga ang curl sa akong hand is nag-follow aning arrow nga direction. So mo na siya ang pasabot yan ha. So, for example, ibabaw sa atong moving charge ang magnetic field kay padulong sa right. Diri sa diri nga portion diri sa right sa magnet sa atong charge, moving charge, ang magnetic field kay downward. Diri pod nga part sa ubos sa imong moving charge, ang magnetic field kay padulong sa left. Ug ang diri pod sa left side sa imong moving charge, ang iyang direction is pa-upward pud ang magnetic field. So continuous ga form og loop, ga-form sila og loop hibali. So ningana ang pasabot. So remember kaniha, we consider this one as a positive nga charge ni siya mao nang right hand rule ra gyapon ni siya ani nga case. For a kuan negative nga charge, if for example ingon ko ganina nga, di ba ang sa negative charge kay padunggi pa inward gyud, if negative man ganini nga charge, if pa inward ni siya ang imong Q, ang direction sa magnetic field is opposite sa imong curl kibali. So bali siya sa imong curl. So kani sa positive charge kay pating-ani man ang atong loop mura siya clockwise nga rotation. For a negative charge nga moving inward of the page or into the screen, this would be a counterclockwise nga rotation sa kuan sa magnetic field nato. And the same nga manner sad for a current, again, katong gingon ako kay ang sa magnetic field due to current kay ang direction nato isa lamang ka kuan kato ra man yung right hand rule ang atong gamiton. So meaning to say kung ang atong current is pasulod, then clockwise ang ma-form natong curl sa around the wire. So murag ang wire na pud niya ang atong i-consider dili na ang charge. So ang tibok wire na, meaning to say several charges na ang nag-move ibali. So wala na tay balidan ha kung kuan kay again, i-consider man dani nga if padulong ang imong positive charge pa inward, then in terms of current ang imong negative charge kay pa outward kibali. So meaning to say mao na jud to ang direction nato regardless pa og kuan negative charge ang atong consider. So kaning ato gyapon nga loop ang atong makuha. So by this equation, by the way, kani siya nga equation, this is what we know as the law of BO and Savar. So remember ha, this is not Bayot and Savar. This is law of BO and Savar. So we have here, let me check or let me see you the pronunciation for that one. So we have this part here sa book. Where is it? Dara siya nga part. Ano to? Dara. BO and Savar. So mo tong lingon. So this is the law of BO and Savar. Katong nga equation mismo. So katong nga equation pod kana mismo nga equation kani siya. This is the basis of kay moving charges naman sad. Moving charges naman jud ang atong i-consider dani. So current mismo nga atong i-consider and kani kani kay portion lang kay current element naman atong gipasabot ani, so meaning to say it's just a portion of the current. But if we have of the wire kibali, but if we consider the whole wire for example, then we can also get the equation of the magnetic field due to that wire na dayon. Now if you do remember before, di ba last time na nako gipangutan sa inyo ha, or nako gi-mention sa inyo ha nga nganong ang behavior sa tong compass is always mo align sa North Pole nato. So remember, the reason for that is that ang Earth nato is a very large magnet, but it is a weak magnet. That is why sad nga when you notice nga, although ang imong compass kay would always point towards the north of the Earth, at some point when you place the compass near a wire nga naay moving nga current, labi nag kuan jud siya ga-flow ang imong current ana nga wire, you'll notice that the compass, the needle compass would be deflected. And the reason for that is again kay na ang imong wire karon nga naay current nga nagflow sa iya is basically ga-create og magnetic field. And the magnetic field of the wire is much stronger than the magnetic field sa earth kibali. So kato siya nga magnetic field is basically gikan ani nga equation. Ang reason sa deflection sa imuhang compass near a wire is because of this law of BO and Savar nga equation nato. So let's try to analyze now the equation. So if we now have for example, a magnetic field of a straight carrying conductor kani siya, katumo man ni ang murag general na tong equation. But if we now consider a small portion of that wire, ibali, it would create a magnetic field at any point near sa iha ang kaning equation mismo ang magnitude na niya. So B is equal to mu sub 0 I over 4 pi times 2A all over X square root of x squared plus a squared. So again ato na ning gi-simplify nga equation. So for example, if naantay gamay nga portion sa atong current in that natay gamay nga segment sa atong wire nga naay current another na, and then we would want to know pila ang iyang magnetic field nga ma-create. Like for example, this is now our wire, and then we have a very small portion here, dali nga portion sa imong wire, and we wanted to know unsa ang iyahang magnetic field nga ma-create at this point baka karon. So ang atong equation karon is mao na din siya ibalik. So, notice here nga ang ato ang A dianhi, ang A nato, this is simply kung unsa to ang length sa imong element. Ang length sa imong element dianhi karon, that is the length of the element nato. Meaning to say, the length of the element karon nga nagdala ato nga charge, nga na ato nga ay not charge, na atong current kibali. So, ang A nato ang A nato is simply the length kung unsa ang naa didto nga portion or kung aha ang current kibalik kung aha nga unsang segment sa wire o unsa ka taas nga portion sa wire ang nag-carry atong nga current, and then ang atong x is is the the perpendicular. So as you notice, this is the perpendicular distance of the of the wire for that wire kibali padulong atong nga point. So it's not necessarily nga ang direct nga direction or location sa imuhang current element padulong diadto. So it's simply a distance x from the wire na dayon. So kana siya. So mo na nga atong equation nato. But if the wire becomes very long, so ganina ningon ko di ba ang A nato kay kuan man siya kanang if ang A nato kay mo ni ang ato ang sa si tawag nato ni diani. Mo ni ang ato ang portion sa atong wire dani karon, portion sa atong wire nga nag-carry atong element. So if we now consider nga dako na kay ang ato ang kuan karon diani ang wire nato ma-approach na og infinity, taas na kay ang atong wire dianhi. So that means to say ang mahitabo karon dianhi ang relationship ani nila is ma-simplify nato ning equation somehow with this one. We have B equals mu sub 0 times I all over 2 pi r. So wala na nato gi-consider kung pila lang unsa lang ka portion karon sa wire ang atong gi-consider. Dili na nato i-matter ang length within the wire kung aha ang imong current. Ang atong i-consider lang is ang current through the wire, ug ang R nato dani karon is ang distance nato. Kanina x man to atong gigamit kanina. Ang x nato danhi is mo to ang distance nato gikan sa wire padulong sa field point. Karon for that case nga we have a very long wire, very long straight wire by the way. This is straight current carrying conductor, straight wire. So ang R na to danhi is now our distance from the wire. So kibali murag mo na ni ang ato ang kuan dinhi ang atong x dinhi kay mo approach infinity man ang katason sa imong wire. So ang relation ang what would happen in the equation is that your a x rather the value of x becomes very very large compared to the value of a. So when that happens, somehow ma-simplify na nato ning ato ang kuan dinhi. Kung dako na kay notice 'di ba kung dako na kay mo ang x dinhi compared sa imuhang a nato. So kung dako na kay na siya nga value, what would happen here is that ang a is almost negligible na dayon siya. So negligible na dayon siya. So ang mabili na lang dayon is ang kanina lang dayon kuan diri nga portion. So, mawala na siya. So, mawala po ang A nimo dianha sa numerator. Ang mabilin is kanina lang dayon yung X na lang dayon dinhi na term, which would now become your R kibali. So, in other words, when your X approaches infinity in the equation nga kuan dinhi, your X simply becomes your R na dayon. So, muna siya atong equation. This is for a straight current carrying conductor. So mo na itong equation nato kung natay straight wire nga nag-carry og current kibali. So mao ra gyapon siya ni ani nga equation ha. The only difference dianhi nga case is that segment lang ni sa atong wire ang atong i-consider mo nang natay A dara nga portion dinhi natay A nga portion dinha. But okay, for a long wire na then this becomes the this is now what would happen to the equation. And then we'll also consider the magnetic field that would be created in a circular nga loop. So we have here the loop, and for the loop if we have a loop nato, I need to say kanina for example natay uh, wire nato karon nga atong gi-design to form a circular nga loop with a current flowing through it. So ang atong equation then would be given by this equation. So kana siya. So I will not again show how these equations were derived. So just memorize this equation, the difference of the equation, particularly for a straight wire and for a current loop or circular loop sa atong kuan na to. So we have this equation ng mu sub 0 I a squared all over 2 times x squared plus a squared raised to 3 halves. So ato sa ning ilailahon ang usa tong mga equation nato dani. Ang atong a nato dani sa atong equation, the a in the equation here is ang radius na siya sa atong loop nato. So that means to say it is a constant nga value. And then on the other hand, ang atong x dianhi, ang x nato is not notice there is a figure. Ang x nimo manotice nimo, di ba? For example, man atong point O. Atong point O is nasa center sa imong coil. And then from point O to the wire, muna ato ang radius, ang A nato, muna nga atong radius sa atong coil or sa wire nato, circular loop nato. Ang x nato is simply uh, mura siya for example kani nga case, so for example di ba natay loop, so that means to say at this point here kanin diri kaning let's say for example kanin diri sa thumb nato lahi ang yang magnetic field diana, so kani nga distance gikan sa center padulong dani sa thumb nato nga portion mao na ang atong x kibali. So ang x nato is the distance along the axis, so kaning nga axis karon mo man nga axis nato diyan sa nga mo pass through the center sa atong loop, and that x is measured from the center. So kani ang atong equation kibali. So ang x nato is measured from the center of the loop na dayon. And notice sad nga kung okay wala gihatag dani, but notice that when where is it? Let me check the equation lang. Ah kani diri nga portion ang ato mong consideration dani is isa lang ka loop. But if there are several loops nga naka-form sa ato ang equation di anhi, naatay ma-multiply diri nga quantity nga n diyan ha, ang n capital N nato. The capital N symbolizes or represents the number of coils. So kung pila ka turn ang ato ang coil kibali, mao to ang ato ang kuanda na ang n nato dira sa atong equation. I just do not know where is it in this part sa equation nato. But supposedly dapat nato equation di anhi for our kuan for that part. Okay, wala na. So kato na lang sa again. I'll just use the kuan. Okay, so for notice sa kaning nga equation, then if we have okay, balik ko diri na nato i-continue ang atong discussion nato nga part. So here sa kato mao man ni nga equation ganina, you have mu sub 0 I a squared all over 2 times x squared plus a squared raised to 3 halves. So if there are n coils sa atong loop nato, so mas dungagan lang og n dara sa atong equation ibali. But sa ganin kani sad nga equation, kay di ba ningon ko ang x na to is simply the distance from the center of the coil along to any point along the axis, but if we wanted to know kung pila mismo ang nato ang magnetic field at the center of the coil, the equation kaning equation can be simplified into this one. So kani siya nga equation, you have b is equal to mu sub 0 ni all over 2 times a. So kani ang simplified na tong equation if we wanted only to know the magnetic field at the center. So and normally ang imong magnetic field at the center is mao to ang pinakadako nimo nga magnetic field gibali, and as it goes away from the center, mo na din to siya magka-decrease na dayon siya. Like for example, pre ano din nga part on, ano danhi at the center of your kuan, nadara ang maximum nato nga magnetic field nato at the center at point O. But as you go further away from the center, along the axis, along the axis sa kuan nimo sa coil nimo, then nagkagamay na dayon magkagamay siya. So the more nga magkalayo ang point X nato from the point O sa center, the more nga magkagamay ang imong magnetic field. So again ha, take note of this equation. This is now for any point along the axis of the coil, and then this is at the center of the coil na dayon. And lastly, we have the topic on Ampere's law. So sa Ampere's law sad nato, this would look like the Gauss law in the magnetism nga part or magnetic interaction. So if you do remember in our Gauss law sa electrostatics, we have the flux to be equal to Q enclosed over epsilon sub zero. So di ba? So electrostatic na to nga condition or sa electrostatic na to nga interaction, magmatter lang ang flux na to is magmatter lang kung pila lang ang charge nga ma-enclose niya. Karon pod sa ato ang sa ato ang magnetic interaction, ang magmatter karon is ang current nato diani. So naatay equation dianhi nga you have the closed line integral. By the way, this is just the line integral. Unlike in the previous nga sa Gauss law nga we have the closed surface integral. So over the surface nato siya gi-integrate. Karon ang atong gi-integrate danhi is ang line lang, line integral lang. So meaning to say, for example, kani like kani siya nga wire is enclosed in this particular nga line, ibali. So tibok nga line diyan is basically our circumference man. So in the equation nato dana, that would be our circumference 2 pi r. So in other words, ang ato ang line integral sa b dot dl, so last time kay surface integral man ang area, so b dot dA, and that is equal to flux is equal to b dot dA, sorry, not b, e dot ea, e dot dA rather, E dot dA is equal to Q enclosed over epsilon sub zero. But here, you have the magnetic flux nato karon. Not, this is not magnetic flux, but pari-pareha siya og idea ba. So it would be magnetic field, the line integral of the magnetic field and the DL nato dani ang line kaninga DL nato ang ato ang sana line integral nato danhi is equal to mu sub zero times I ibali. So mo na siya ang kung tanaw nato makita nato nga naay similarity sa equation. Sa Gauss law ang ato is you have Q charge kay electrostatic interaction naman, and then you have the epsilon sub zero, which is the electric constant, and then electric column constant, I think rather. But here for the Ampere's law, ang ato ang case dani karon is that kay magnetic interaction ang atong gikuan, so magnetic field, and then ang atong gigamit is magnetic constant, and then you have the current I na dayon sa katong iyang equals ibalik. So that is the equation for the B dot EL or the Ampere's law. And in a way ra gyapon, this would still be related to the equation nato sa katong general natong equation sa magnetic field nga akong gipakita ganina kato sa law of Biot and Suvar nga equation. Biot-Suvar law nga equation. Mao ra gyapon to siya, so related na to siya. Okay. So let's now try to discuss some examples from the from our for our topic na to. So let's consider this one. So you have an electron that moves at 0.100 c. C, by the way, this is the speed of light. So speed of light ni siya kanina simbola in our later nga chapter na to. This is the speed of light, and the speed of light is given by 3 times 10 to the 8 meter per second. So the electron daw is moving as shown in the figure. So as we notice here, it moves to the positive y na direction. So ang atong pangutana diri sa problem karon is we are not to find the magnitude and the direction of the magnetic field that this electron produces at the following points. which is you have point A, point B, point C, and point D. And all of these points are simply 2 millimeters from the location of the electron, of the moving electron. So kaning ABCD na to is that these are 2 millimeters at the instant where the moving electron is located. Kibali kay kabang mata mag-move na siya, so it's basically not a constant na position. But since we wanted to know unsay magnetic field nato dinhi, the magnetic field nga itong ipasabot is that at that instant that the electron is here, unsa may iyahang magnetic field aning upat ka points nato diyan ha, so you have 2 millimeters from the electron at point A and B. Notice ang atong A and B are symmetrical. Ibali, you have 60 degrees with respect aning horizontal nga line. Ang isa pasaka, ang isa kay pa ubos. And then ang point C is simply along the horizontal line with respect sa location sa atong electron. And point D is in a way behind the location of or along the line of the motion sa imong electron and behind it. So naa dito, behind siya. Padulong man sa positive y direction ng atong electron. So ang atong D is nasa negative y nga direction. So here, for a moving charge, remember that akong gihatag nga equation is katong mu sub 0 over 4 pi times q v vector cross r na to, cross r to siya. So r hat rather over r squared. But kung ato itong analyzon, atong imong r hat nato, ang r hat nato is simply ang unit vector naman na niya. So meaning to say, ang atong gi-consider na is ang katunang portion nga part sa kanang kuan. Sa ito gani katong component lang sa imuhang vector dito nga perpendicular sa iyahang motion kibali ang imong sin theta mo man jud nato ang ato ang consider lang opposite rather sa imuhang kuan diyan ha. So remember sorry my bad. I mean remember again nga sa atong equation nato before di ba sa cross product, ang atong cross product is given with the equation nga katong AB sin theta. So from that, ang ato pong equation for the magnetic field can be expressed in this term na to. You have U sub 0 over 4 pi times the charge kay magnitude lang man siya. You have the magnitude of the charge times V sin theta all over R squared nato. So at point A and B, so again, ato lang i-simplify, just kani nga equation natong i-memorize, and then muna to atong buhaton na din is mag right hand rule na din ta, ma-determine na din nato karon unsa ang ato ang direction karon sa ato ang kuan, direction sa ato ang sa magnetic field nato. So at point A and B, kung maka-remember mo, ang atong 60 degrees is gi-measure to sa katong horizontal, gikan daan ha. But since ang ato ang angle, remember in the cross product na atong angle, it is always the angle between the first and the second vector. Ang atong first vector dani is ang atong velocity, which is upward. And atong second vector is ang atong r hat, which is in direction gikan sa location sa charge padulong sa field point. So pasabot nga padulong sa point A ang atong vector r hat for point A, and then padulong po din sa point B ang atong vector sa point B nato. So kung tan-awon nato ang angle nga atong ipasabot sa A is kani dianhi, kanilang dili ang 60. And since perpendicular man ni siya, meaning to say kani diri nga portion ato lang nang i-minus sa 60, ibali diyan ha. And similarly sad nga ang atong point B kay gikan man dianhi, gikan man sa V, between sa V ug kaning diri man. So kaning tibuok ang atong gi-consider gikan diri sa positive y padulong dianhi nga part. And since ang isa ka straight line kay 180, nya kani kay same ra man ni nga angle niya sa pika, so that means to say ma-minus na po nato ni sa 180 ang katong nga value nato, or pwede sad nga perpendicular naman ni daan dani nga part, i-add lang nato ni siyang kaning 60. So mo tong giingon daan ha nga for example at point A and B, uh, our angle is 90 minus 60, kaya ang ato ang R, ang ato ang V pasaka, ang imong R sad kay pasaka sad gyapon or at some point above the x-axis. And ang ato ang angle kay between that the velocity and r man, so meaning say ang atong ipasabot nga angle is katong with respect sa vertical axis, dili tong 60 kay ang 60 mao man tong with respect sa x-axis. So 90 minus 60 is 30 degrees, and then for the point B, you have the direction which is now again it's already 90 degrees naman tong katong horizontal na to. And then from the horizontal down to point B, you have 60 degrees. So that's why you have 90 plus 60, and that is 150 degrees, ibali. So, muna yung atong mga angle. Notice why nganong at giuna na to ni og kanang soda ng duha ka angle nila. Now, if you calculate the sine of these two angles, the sine of 30 and the sine of 150 degrees, they are just the same. So, mo nang in a way, ang value na to sa A ug sa B is parehas lang. So, let's start with the point A. Ang magnetic field sa point A is then again mu sub 0 over 4 pi. So, you have 4 pi times 10 to the negative 7 Tesla meter per ampere divided by 4 pi times you have ang magnitude sa atong charge karon which is an electron, so you have 1.602 times 10 to the negative 19, and then you have the velocity of the electron which is 0.100 sa speed of light, so that is 0.1 times 3 times 10 to the 8 meter per second divided by times sine 30, that is the angle nato, and you have r squared which is fixed na distance from the electron to all points to AB and ABCD. So parehas man og distance nan, so which is 2 millimeters or 2 times 10 to the negative 3 meter squared. So with that, the magnitude of the magnetic field at point A is then equal to 6.0075 times 10 to the negative 14 Tesla. And as I've mentioned already ganina, since ang sine sa 30 ug sa sine sa 150 degrees kay parehas raman, symmetrical angle man ang duha. I mean, reflection ang, yeah, I think for sakto ang term, kanang reflection angle naman ang duha nimo kaning sine 30 ug sine 150. So that means say in terms of the vertical nga component parehas ra jud sila. So ang sine 30 ug sine 150 kay parehas ra og value. So the magnitude of the magnetic field at point B is also the same as the magnitude of the magnetic field at point A. So parehas ra sa value. But in terms of the direction, kung atong tan-awon, kung atong atong analyzon karon, what would be the direction of this magnetic field? So by right hand rule, so remember we can point our index finger to the direction of the B, which is upward or positive Y, and then i-point pud nimo ang imong middle finger sa direction sa imong R. So unit vector, so which is padulong sa x-axis. So somehow padulong sa x-axis, ibabaw sa x-axis, and then notice karon nga as imong ituyok nimo ang imong hand, ang direction sa imong thumb is now negative z. So padulong sa negative z siya. But since ang atong charge na to karon kay electron man which is negative, so meaning to say dili negative z ang direction sa atong magnetic field, but rather it would be the opposite of the negative which is positive z na dayon. So the magnetic field at pareha, notice sad nga in both points, at both points, ang maskin pag atong ibalhin ang atong index ang direction sa atong index finger, still gihapon ang atong thumb would still point inward gihapon for point B. So that means to say our magnetic field at point A and point B is the same in both magnitude and in direction, and that is 6.0075 times 10 to the negative 14 Tesla directed to the positive z-axis or k hat. So ato lang i-clarify balik dani nga portion kani dani. Di ba katong ingon, i-try gani i-curl ang inyong kamot gani. I-try ninyo curl ang inyong kamot. So curl lang, ayaw na tong katong mag right hand rule ta nga mag-index finger ta, mag middle finger ta o mag thumb. I-curl lang ang inyong kamot aron nga in such a way ang i-point ninyo ang inyong thumb towards the direction of the charge. So as you notice karon, di ba kung tan-aw nimo ang imong point A, B, and C, A, B, and C are basically on the right side of the charge. So since nahaman siya sa right side sa imong charge, so kung tan-awon nimo kung imong i-loop over lang nimo ang imong i-curl over nimo ang imong kamot karon imong fingers over your thumb, ahaman padulong ang imong thumb karon on the right side sa imong, I mean sorry, ahaman padulong ang imong curl karon with respect sa right side sa imong thumb. So you'll notice nga ang curl nimo is pa inward tanan ang curl sa inyong kamot. But since as mentioned, this is a negative charge na nag-move, then it should be opposite to that curl ang atong direction, and that is now upward, ibalik. So motong gingon upward, not upward but rather outward, outward sa page. Eh ganina kung atong i-curl, ang atong curl sa atong finger is pasulod pud sa page, padulong padulong siya sa page kibali. But negative man nga charge, so that means to say outward ang atong direction sa magnetic field ana. So muna explanation na to. For letter B, we now have the velocity which is directly perpendicular to point C. So that means say kung perpendicular ganin sa cross product, it would always be the maximum value of that cross product. So since our our angle here is equal to 90 degrees. So again, in the same equation, you have 4 pi times 10 to the negative 7 Tesla meter per ampere divided by 4 pi. That is times, again, same lagi akong kanina, charge of the electron, 1.602 times 10 to the negative 19 coulomb, and then times the speed of the electron here, which is zero point 0.1 of the speed of light. You have zero point 0.1 times 10 to times 3 times 10 to the 8 meter per second, and you have sine 90 degrees all over our R here, which is still the same 2 millimeters, or 2 times 10 to the negative 3 meter raised to 2. So with that one, we'll notice here that the value for our B sub C is all among the all other points sa figure, kay parehas naman tug location tanan 2 millimeters. So that means to say ang point C ang pinaka maximum ng magnetic field nga makuha, and that is na 1 point kanina di ba negative 14 ang ato ang exponent. Karon we have 1.2015 times 10 to the negative 13 Tesla. So this is again much greater than the previous one. Although ang previous is 6 cup into 6 point something, pero ang exponent is negative 14. So meaning to say that is just 0.6 times 10 to the negative 13 Tesla kibali. And in the same way, gihapon, using the same ideas right hand rule, if you try to curl your hand again, balik kanina, di ba, ang point C is still to the right of the thumb nimo. So, or sa direction sa imong charge. So that means to say, your magnetic field would still, the direction of the curl sa imong hakamot would still be inward or into the page. But since the charge is again an electron, which is negative, then the magnetic field should point opposite to that direction, which is positive Z gyapon. So our B sub C here, the magnetic field at point C is 1.2015 times 10 to the negative 13 Tesla K hat. And at point C, notice nga ang point C karon is along the axis of motion. And in a way, kung tanawon nimo, ang V nimo is upward man, and then ang point D, ang imuhang vector R is paubos. So which forms a straight line. So since that is just a straight line, so the angle would be 180 degrees. And sine of 180 degrees or sine of 0 is always equal to 0. That's why at along or any point along the motion of the charge, there's no electric field, no magnetic field na ma-create na. So it's always 0. Yan na. So pasabot inside the wire, along the motion of the current, wala tayo, or along the wire mismo, wala tayo ma-create ng magnetic field diadto. So there's no magnetic field along the axis of motion sa imong charge dana. So this is now our answer for that one. Let's try another one. Let's have problem number 2. So a 6 microcoulomb point charge is moving at a constant 8 times 10 to the 6 meter per second in the positive y direction. So again, take note, it's almost the same as what we have in the previous example, but this one is a positive charge. So you have 6 microcoulomb moving on the positive y direction with a speed of 8 times 10 to the 6 meter per second. And then, ang pangutanan na to karon is that at that instant, karon, uh, consider that one as the origin. So we'll consider the location of the charge now as at the origin. So that means say the value of x, y, and z are zero. So what it would then be the magnetic field vector uh, that it would produce at the following points. So vector ha ang atong ipangita. That means to say both magnitude and direction ang ato ang need na pangitaon dani or isolve the anhe. So ang first na field point nato is simply uh, x is equal to 0.5. It's just along the x axis, 0.5. So meaning to say that we say it is zero point 0.5 to the right of the origin or zero point 0.5 to the right of the location of the charge. Kay zero man ang imong y ug ang z. Ang letter B sad is ang x is zero, ang y is negative 0.5. So kung tanaw na to, di ba? Remember that the charge is moving to the on the y-axis, and our field point here is again negative y. So it's similar to point D in the previous nga example nga nasa sa axis of motion ang ato ang field point, and z is zero. And letter C, we have here uh, kanang x is equal 0, y is equal to 0, and z is equal to zero point 0.5 meters. So, if you, again, if we consider the screen as our xy nga plane, so we know nga ang outward sa imong screen karon sa imong device is the positive z, and into the screen is negative z. So, for example, if you consider nga na kay charge karon sa imong screen na positive charge nga nasa imong screen nga nag-move pa sa ka, ang z nato dianha is ah, padulong sa imong kibali or padulong sa imong point towards the direction outward gikan sa screen, gikan sa location sa imong charge. So it's an above kibali mo siya ibabaw sa screen ang point nato danha. And then ang letter D nato is x is equal to 0, ang x lang ang 0, and then ang y nato is na pud siya sa axis of motion nato, but take note nga natin z component dani nga dili 0. So ang z nato nga component is naa sa positive 5. So mura siya kanang ang intersection kani nga point, this is the intersection between point B and point C. So naa kay z component, naapod kay y component ibali, but your x is 0 yan ha. So in the same manner, ang ato ang magnetic field anhe is given by this equation gyapon, with this one being the magnitude of the magnetic field, and our r danhe, take note ha, ang r nato danhe, unlike in the previous example nga we're directly given with the specific value of our r, which is point 2 millimeters last time, but here in this case our r the spatial uh, spatial positions. So meaning to say ang locations na nimo spatial nato nga kuan locations along the Cartesian plane, along the x, y, and z. So you have, well, in the previous nato nga slide we have different values for our x, y, and z. So that's why by Pythagorean theorem gyapon kabalo man ta nga kung mag-solve ta og kanang direct nga distance from one point to any point in the three-dimensional nga space, it would be kanang using the Pythagorean theorem ra gyapon. And with the inclusion of course of the third nga component, so you have x squared plus y squared plus z squared na dayon. But for those cases nga ang other two components kay zero siya, automatic ra to siyang ang imong r is just equal to the given value of that location in either x, y, and z as long as ang duha kay zero kibali. So let's start with the first part. The field point, which is now atong point 0.5 on the x-axis and 0 on both y and z. So as na-mention na ako kanina, this is now to the right of the origin. So remember, kay as na-mention na to, ang atong positive charge na to karon is moving on the positive y man, and ang imong field point is padulong ra sa right sa location sa imong charge. So that would then imply nga ang imong V ug ang imong R hat kay opposite, I mean perpendicular. So 90 degrees. So parehas ni sa case na to ganina sa katong point C na to sa previous nga example. So we have here 90 degrees gihapon sa ato ang theta na to. So by direct na substitution, this is now 4 pi times 10 to the negative 7 Tesla meter per ampere all over 4 pi times you have 6 times 10 to the negative 6 coulomb times 8 times 10 to the 6 meter per second, and you have sine 90 all over our R danhi. Ang R na to again kay 0 man ang atong Y ug Z. So R is simply equal to our X na to. You have 0.5 meter raised to 2 na dayon. So with that one, our magnetic field at point A is now 1.92 times 10 to the negative 5 Tesla. So this is now the magnitude niya. But in terms of direction, again, mag-right hand rule ta, try na to curl ang atong figure, atong right hand with our thumb pointing to the direction of the velocity nato. So upward man gyapon ang ato ang kwan with respect sa screen ha. Pasaka man gyapon siya with respect sa screen ang imuhang velocity, then ang imuhang x kay di ba 0.5, so positive 0.5 man, so naa gyapon siya sa right sa sa location sa imuhang charge, meaning to say ang curl nato is pasulod gyapon siya, so inward. So by right hand rule, the direction of the magnetic field is negative z. So that means to say our field vector or magnetic field vector at point A is negative 1.92 times 10 to the negative 5 Tesla K hat. So kana ang ato ang answer for the first part of the problem. So kana siya. Okay, let's proceed to letter B. Ang letter B now is that our x and z component are 0 with y being negative 0.5. So as same sa previous nga problem nga ang ato ang field point is along the axis of motion. So nara siya sa axis of motion. So in the same nga manner gihapon nga ang point B na to kay opposite sa direction sa imuhang velocity. So the angle na to danhi along the y-axis is 180 degrees. So if in case po nga ang atong y na to is positive ha, our angle would be 0. But regardless pag 0 or 180 na siya, since it's along the axis of the motion, then the magnetic field at these points or along the axis would always be equal to 0 kibali. So that's the answer for letter B. For letter C, notice karon nga ang atong field point na to karon is directly above the charge. We need to say if that this is now your screen, ibabaw lang siya sa imong screen. But still notice ng velocity is pasaka, ang imuhang r hat is outward. And notice nga ang ma-form nga angle karon sa imong V o sa imong R hat is still perpendicular naman gihapon. That is 90 degrees sa gihapon. So since parehas sa ang imong R RA or parehas naman jud og distance nato karon pareha raman kay 0.5 raman gyapon ni siya. So parehas ra ang atong RA ug ang atong RC sa letter A kibali. Kung kumpila to atong RA nato so parehas lang. And since pareha raman tanan og variables tanan nato ganina, ang charge, ang speed niya, and now even the R, that means to say nga ang ato ang magnetic field gihapon di adto is just the same lang, parehas lang. It's like for example, pareha ni nga atong gi-discuss ganina sa illustration. I think this was this one. Kani ba to nga problem? Kani nga ay not this problem kani day. Kani siya. Kani nga slide, di ba? Ako gipakita ganina kani. For example, it's like kani siya. Ang imong charge, assuming ta lang ang atong charge karon kay padulong ang atong y kay ang pa-inward ang atong y. So ang imong x-axis ani is kani diani nga portion ug ang imong imong z-axis is kaning ibabaw sa imong wire kibali. And since parehas sa man gyud location ang gikan dianhi o gikan diadto, meaning to say kani diani nga na-form ani na nga loop karon ani dianhi, same ra na sila og magnetic field diana with respect sa atong charge dianhi. Same ra di og magnetic field kan sila kaning nag-circle nato dianha. Parehas ra na sila og magnetic field. Kay parehas naman sila og distance from the location of the point charge nato. So murag mao na ang murag visualization nato sa ato ang problem ganina nga kung ang atong y kay pa-inward kibali, ang positive y nato ang pa-inward Kung ato lang i-change atong perspective ba, if ang atong y kay pa-inward, kung atong i-follow ni siya mo ni ang direction sa atong positive 6 microcoulomb, pasaka man 'to ganina murag ato lang gihayang, pasulod ang ato ang charge karon. So mo ni ang atong x dinhi, ang ato ang z nga 0.5 is kani dinhi. So parehas na sa location, so parehas sa jud sila og magnetic field. Ang only difference nilang duha karon dinhi is that notice, di ba ningon ko ganina, in downward, di ba? Downward man siya, so motong negative z atong nakuha. Karon kung mag right hand rule ko dadaan sa ato ang point C nato, ang atong makuha is that ibabaw, again by curling your fingers, ibabaw sa imong thumb as the curl of your fingers passes over your thumb, ang direction sa imong fingers is to the right. So padulong siya sa right. So meaning to say, padulong sa x-axis na dahil siya. So, positive x-axis atong direction. So, that means say you have 1.92 gihapon times 10 to the negative 5 Tesla I hat. So, balik ka nga illustration. So, di ba, ningon ko ganina, ang y na to kay atong i-change ang ato ang i-rotate na to ang atong axis nga ang y na to is mo ang atong murag kaning perpendicular sa atong screen. So, ang positive padulong pasulod sa imong screen, ang negative is padulong sa tua. So meaning to say ang kaning paubos sa screen, kaning vertical sa imong sa spring is mao na ang ato ang z-axis, and then again ang horizontal is mo gyapon ang x-axis. So ganina niingon ta nga ang katong diri sa location sa x nato downward dani sa basal loop nato, which is negative z sa atong discuss na nato ganina nga right hand rule. So pag abot pud diri sa pikas dari sa atong positive z nato, notice ahaman padulong atong magnetic field. It's now pointing to the positive x-axis. So that's why our answer here is b sub c is equal to 1.92 times 10 to the negative 5 Tesla I hat. So mura siya kanila gyapon nga illustration. And then lastly, for point D, ang point D medyo complicated karon ang point D kay duha naman dili duha ka points and zero, but duha ka points and dili zero. So instead here, remember na since dili zero ang duha ka points, so ang atong R then is mo follow jud siya sa katong Pythagorean theorem. So diani we have to find, unlike kanina nga ang ato ang angle kay directly 90 degrees sa man to siya. So ang atoa dianhi is pauna to kung pila ang angle dianhi sa imuhang kuan, sa imuhang sa imuhang field point o sa kuan. So it's basically we can use the kuan, the equation for the tangent inverse ng opposite over adjacent. So ang adjacent nato diri nga axis is ang y. Y ang atong adjacent dianhi, kay remember it's where the charge is moving. So ang pa along sa axis of motion adjacent nato na nga side diyan ha, and then ang atong opposite side ani karon would be our kuan. Kaya ang atong angle dinhi would be measured from the kuan man. Ang atong angle kay i-measure man nato siya gikan sa kuan, gikan sa velocity nato. So ang velocity nato kay y man. So pasabot ang adjacent yun nato is ang y-axis, then ang imong opposite is ang z-axis. Z-axis kay z-axis naman pud ang ato ang naay field ani. But if we have also the x-axis, so lahi na pud to nga case nga ang atong angle is based na pud sa xz, sa xy nga plane. Karon ang ato ang angle is nasa yz man ni nga plane kibali. So since we have both the 0.5 and 0.5, so that's tangent inverse of 0.5 and 0.5. And since parehas sa man na sila nga length, so ang atong tangent ani diani or ang ratio nato is 1. So tangent inverse of 1 is equal to 45 degrees. However, notice nga manotice inyo ay leaving a space in between this uh, equation diyan kay remember kaning 45 degrees nato, this is now measured from the negative y-axis. Take note negative y. Kay remember, ang atong y component is naman sa negative y. So, as na-mention na nako ganina nga, ang angle na to is i-measure na to gikan sa velocity. Ang velocity na to is nasa y-axis. So, ang atong gipasabot lang din nga y karon is naman sa downward mo pud nga kaning 0.5 na to, negative 0.5. So, you have 45 degrees from the negative y padulong sa z. So, kung nasa negative y, then ang imong v kay positive y, so pasabot nga ang kaning 45 ato ning i-minus sa 180. So ang actual na 'to nga angle dinhi is 180 minus 45 ibali, and that is 135. But nevertheless, whether it's 45 or 135, the sign of both angle 45 and 135 the same ra gihapon. So ako lang nang i-clarify nga 135 jud ni siya kay remember by definition your theta is the angle between your q, the velocity of your q, and your vector r hat, yun r hat na to. So meaning to say ang correct jud nga angle is 135. So kana siya. So you have the magnitude of the field at that point is now again from the equation you have mu sub 0 nga 4 pi times 10 to the negative 7 Tesla meter per ampere divided by 4 pi times you have q, the magnitude of q, v, and sine theta. So that would be 6 times 10 to the negative 6. You have 8 times 10 to the 6 for the v, and you have sine 135, and all over r squared. Now remember our r squared here, remember our equation sa r squared is equal to x squared plus y squared plus z squared. So since naman tay value sa y ug z, ang ato ang mabilin dito is katong y squared plus z squared gibali. So di na ta mag square root kay remember sa equation po nato sa magnetic field it's simply r squared. So we can simply have 0.5 squared plus 0.5 squared yan eh. We can omit directly the negative mas part. Kaya remember, uh, ang square root sa negative ug positive, not ang square root, ang squared sa negative ug positive, parehas raman. So, for this case now, the magnetic field at point D is then 6.79 times 10 to the negative 6 Tesla. So, as you notice by the way, although parehas lang sa nga point 5 and point 5 from the origin in terms on each own axis, but the actual distance from the point charge to the field point itself is farther from the previous nga mga locations nga atong gi-discuss kanina. So it's farther. So that's why the magnetic field also decreases. So nag-decrease ang atong magnetic field as your R or as your field point uh, increases. So you have 6.79 times 10 to the negative 6 Tesla. And by right hand rule, sad, interestingly, again, if you point your index finger to the positive Y, your middle finger to the direction of the R hat, so murag syempre dili vertical, dili jud perpendicular ang imong middle finger o ang imong index finger kay imo mang i-bend gamay ang imong middle finger padulong sa 135 degrees with respect sa imong index finger. But notice nga ang direction karon sa imong thumb would still be to the positive nga direction. So meaning to say it's still to the positive x-axis. So we have our vector magnetic field vector at point D is still 6.79 times 10 to the negative 5 Tesla I hat. So, balik ko na to tong kanindri nga figure. It's like, di ba, kung makaremember mo ganina, mo ni atong x nga positive 0.5 kanimo ditong z nga positive 0.5. So if ang atong positive y kay inward, then ang atong negative y kay outward padulong sa 2a. So at some point karon ang imong magnetic or ang imong field point is naa diri linya ani nga part pero dili sa screen but rather outward sa screen. And since ang magnetic field nga itong mag-form kay always naman yun mag-form og loop lang. Ang difference lang is that aning sa plane sa ato ang kung aha ang imong charge naa dira ang mga maximum na tong magnetic field. But ang imong magnetic field nga direction or loop so nga ma-form aning ga-move ni mga charge is still different gyapon at different points away from the plane ibali. So regardless pag into the plane or away from the plane, mao ra gyapon ni nga loop ang atong ma-form except that ang mahitabo ang magnetic field niya is mas mo decrease na siya with gikan ani kay diri nga point man ang ato ang maximum na to nga magnetic field kani dianha kani diri nga portions kibali. Aside sa mag-matter gyapon ang imong magnetic field with respect sa R ha, but with respect pud sa kanang iyahang along the axis of motion, uh, away from from the location of the charge or no, I mean uh towards the direction of the charge and away from the direction of the charge, away sa motion rather, away sa direct motion sa imong charge, ang imong magnetic field is magkagamay gihapon sila. So kana siya. Okay, let's have our problem now for the current element. So kanina ni proceed na ta sa wire, but in this case we're not considering a long wire. It's just a portion of the wire that carries a current. So we have a straight wire which carries a current of 10 amperes, which is shown in the figure. So the figure ABCDE in the illustration here is a rectangle with point P in the middle of the 1.10 millimeter segment of the wire. So we have a segment of the wire, a portion of the wire na 1.10 millimeter lang, and that portion of the wire has a current of 10 amperes kibali. And remember that point is at the center of the at that segment, and then A, B, C, D are the other vertices of the uh, rectangle nato. So ang pangutana karon sa problem is that find the magnitude and direction of the magnetic field due to this segment at point A, B, and C. So let's start. So for this part here, so notice, so we have this equation already. You have mu sub 0, the Biot-Savart law. You have mu sub 0 over 4 pi times I dl cross r hat all over r squared. So notice again, this is r hat and this is not vector, unit vector. And this is not vector r. So what I mean to say here is that, di ba, ang take note of the difference of the symbol. This is r hat for r hat and this one is vector. Di ba kung mingon tag vector, its magnitude and direction. But since kanimuhang vector r can be represented by components man, di ba? If in your physics 1 before, if you have vector A has component EX and AY along the x-axis and along the y-axis respectively. So similarly, our r here, the position vector r can be represented by the position along the x-axis and the position along the y-axis. So that's why our vector r is now xi hat plus y j hat. And x and y here depends kung unsay yahan direction, whether it could be positive or negative depending on the direction of your r from the point of the origin, which is ang origin nato dani karon mao ni ang location sa ato ang in this case sa atong current yan ha. And ang R na to is ang magnitude sa ato ang combined nga distance in three dimensional space. But if it is only one dimensional lang siya, basically makancel ra ang atong unit vector one dimensional lang ha, ang imong ang r hat nato dani it's simply I hat j hat or K-hat lang, naraan na nilang tulo. Pero 2 or 3 di na gani siya, mao na ang imong numerator is na kay xi hat plus yj hat plus zk hat in addition to the z component na to. Again, remember that your r squared in this equation is still x squared plus y squared plus z squared ibali. So the from the given na to nga the illustration a while ago, the current is moving to the right. So that means to say, ang ato ang direction sa ato ang DL, di ani, ang DL na to kay length lang man to siya. Pero ang atong vector DL would follow the direction of the current. So the direction of the current is to the right. So that means to say in the equation nato di ani nga kaning DL nato kaning naka-green, our x is always to the positive x axis. So that means to say I hat siya. So ang atong DL is equal to the length karon sa segment sa mong wire times ang unit vector. Sorry, this is not I vector but unit vector ni siya. So unit vector I hat. So this is 1.10 times 10 to the negative 3 kay 1.10 millimeters man. So you have 1.10 times 10 to the negative 3 meters I hat. So remember, this is a fixed na direction na ang atong DL kay wala man to nag-change ang direction sa atong current ganina. So karon ang atong tanawon karon is what would be the direction of our R hat for the different points that we have. So we have A, B, and C. So ang B na to, ang A na to is directly above your kuan, your D, di ba? So ang point A nato is nasa ibabaw. So if mag-drawing tag unit vector dianhi, ang atong unit vector kay pasaka. So pasaka ang atong unit vector dianha. So that means to say for letter A, our unit vector is simply plus j hat. So notice nga wala na nako gi-appeal dianhi ang x, diyan na kay 1 x. And then wala na pud nako gi-appeal ang y kay ang atong y ug ang atong r parehas naman sila. Ang atong r kay mo naman to ang distance nato from point D to point A. So meaning to say, ang y pud nato mo ra pud to ang atong y. So y over y is just the same, ma-cancel na, so 1 lang mabilin. So ang naa lang is simply j hat ra jud siya, unit vector lang. So motong gingon, kung one dimensional lang jud siya, ang imong r unit vector na nimo or ang position vector nimo unit one dimensional lang, ang unit vector nato dinhi is simply either of the three, I hat, j hat, or k hat lang, ibali. So nara sa tulo. So atong i-substitute na dayon na equation, you have uh, 4 pi times 10 to the negative 7 Tesla meter per ampere divided by 4 pi. And that is now, we have our current na 10 amperes. And ang atong DL is kani akong gisulat diri ganina nga 1 times 10 to the times 10 to the negative 3 meter I hat. And then you have i-cross nato na siya sa atong R hat nato diyan which is J J J hat. And then ang atong R is simply the distance from point D to point A which is 5 centimeters or 0.05 meters. So i-recall lang kani di ba ang I hat o J hat cross product namang gud gyapon ni siya. So meaning to say, follow ra gyapon tong idea na to nga kanang magkwanta mag AB sin theta. And since unit vector lang man sila, so ang magnitude man nato sa atong unit vector kay 1 lang man siya. So this is simply 1 times 1. But since napamatay sin theta, diyan dapat kay cross product man, just remember nga ang imong I hat ug ang J hat kay perpendicular man ni sila nga axis. So it follows nga our theta here, perpendicular man din sila. So this would be 90 degrees. So this is simply equal to 1 times 1. Balian mo na ang atong AB na to, AB sin theta. So ang AB sin theta na to is mapulihan og magnitude 1 for the I hat, magnitude 1 for the J hat, and then you have sin 90 degrees between nila. So that is sin 90. So mahulog nga ang atong answer is simply 4 times 4 times 10 to the negative 7 Tesla. And then ang atong direction dani is K hat na. Kaya remember ha kung magkatong i-recall lang ang inyong physics 1 nga discussion sa cross product nga if naa kay cross product sa imong I cross J, that would be kuan K hat na dayon. Or just remember the mnemonics nga XYZ. So if nagmultiply ka sa X ug Y, ang result is positive Z. So again, if magmultiply kag unit vector nga positive x and positive y, you have positive z. XYZ, YZX, ZXY. So kana sila murag ipang interchange lang. So XYZ, YZX, and ZXY. So all those are positive kay bali. So you follow lang nato nga order nga x I hat or unit vector sa x cross unit vector sa y, positive ang duha, positive uh, unit vector sa z pod ang atong result. So ingana siya ang result. And again by right hand rule sad gihapon nga ang imong direction sa imong I cross j diani is k hat. So that is now our answer for letter A. For letter B, the position vector points between x and y. Between x and y na ha kay tanaw na to kung balik ko na to ang figure ganina. But let's just go back to the figure. Ang tong point B is now somehow to the right and then napuntay upward. So mo nang to the right, so positive x, and then upward, positive y. So mo nang sa gisulat na ko diri sa ani nga slide, ang ato ang point B points between positive x and positive y. So using the equation of the r hat nga akong ipakita ganina katong r vector over magnitude of r, this would then be ang sa numerator na to katong xi hat plus yj hat, that would be x, remember parehas lang ang positive, so positive ang atong duha dian ha. So positive 0.14 kay mo man tong horizontal nga distance I hat, and then plus positive 0.05 meters j hat sad. So kana siya. Ang numerator na to kay r man, And remember, our r squared is x squared plus y squared plus z squared. So we have to get the square root of that term. So duha ra pud ka x and y lang man ni siya. So this is the square root of 14 squared and 0.05 squared. So that is now our r, which is again, since parehas naman sila nga positive, so pwede na simplify ang numerator as 0.14 meter I hat plus 0.05 meter j hat, and the magnitude of the r, or the value of r rather, between ang direct na distance, ang diagonal nga distance rather, from point B to point D is 0.1487 meters or 14.87 centimeters. So is kanina din atong i-substitute sa ato ang B. So the same equation kato ganina atong mu sub 0 over 4 pi times IDL cross R hat over R squared. So let's start with the first part, 4 pi times 10 to the negative 7 Tesla meter per ampere over 4 pi. And then you have our current na 10 amperes. And then our DL, which is still the same, ng katong 1.10 times 10 to the negative 3 meter I hat. And then remember, nga ang atong inatong multiply dani karon is ang R nato, R hat nato, which is kanitanan. Kaning 0.14 meter plus 0.05. And then, ang atong denominator kay di ba, ako naman siya kanang R squared for a while sa I think, okay, my bad. This is not the correct na part. Sorry. Kani nga next na error to ganina nga slide. So kani ang correct na. So same way raman to. Na ko gi-edit ato nga part. So take note nga again balik ta. 10 amperes times 1.10 times 10 to the negative 3 meter I hat. So mo ni ang atong DL ha. And then gi-over sa nato daan sa katong R squared. Kay mo matatong equation ganina, IDL cross R hat over R squared. So, cross R hat. So, ang R hat na to, kay mo man atong R hat karon. So, mo na din ni siya. You have 0.14 meter I hat plus 0.05 meter J hat all over 0.1487 meter. So, notice nga common factor naman ang duha ka denominator. That means to say nga pwede naton ni sila ma-combine, and since you have two square root, I mean, you have an exponent of 2 here and simply kani 1 man ni siya. So overall kuan ni siya 0.1487 raised to 3 siya. And then sunod na buhaton karon is ato ning i-simplify or atong i-combine ang kaning I cross kani siya nga portion daan niya. Ato lang gi-factor out ang ang ato ang length nato, ang magnitude sa atong length, DL na 'to, length vector na 'to. So, ang I puwede na 'to siya, ang I kaning tibuok nga I ma-multiply nito siya aning tibuok pod nga kaning, numerator sa atong R hat. So, you have I cross, kato sir puwede na 'to i-individual, 0.14 i-factor out akong 0.14. So, you have I hat cross I hat, and then plus the second term nga 0.05 i-factor out. You have I hat cross J hat gihapon. Now again, remember katong ingon nga ang katong mnemonics nato nga XYZ, so XYZ, YZX, and ZXY, unsa ang last nga variable ato, motong unit vector dapat ang result sa preceding nga variables nga akong gi-mention. So preceding XY equals Z. So you have YZ equals X, and then you have ZX equals Y sad. Pero kung naa ganitay mga unit vectors na same mong kaugali, same ang gi-multiply sa cross product. Remember nga since parehas man na sila direction, so ang angle na is 0 degree na siya. So kung 0 degree, sine of 0 degree is 0. And if also kung may putag no opposite, kung negative ang i-multiply mo I hat cross negative I hat, still the angle is 180. So, ang sine of 180 is also 0. So, in this case karon kaning first term na to is somehow walay contribution ang first term na to dani kay kaning term na 0 ra man na siya. Kaya again, walay ang cross product sa any vector to itself is always 0. So, I cross I is equal to 0. So, ang mabilin lang is kaning 0.05 meter I hat cross J hat. And since this is I cross J, so expectedly our answer would be on the Z axis, which is positive. So you have uh, 1.67 times 10 to the negative 8 Tesla A hat. So that is now our answer for the magnetic field at point B. And lastly, for point C, since as you notice, ang point C is along the wire, so along the direction of the current. So that means to say, nga kato nga case, zero jud atong magnetic field along the wire. So another reason is again, ang yung atong R hat kay naa man siya sa padulong man gyapon siya sa right. So R hat is positive I hat, and again I cross I is equal to zero. So the magnetic field is really equal to zero since it is along the axis of the wire or along the motion of the charges nato. So that's one. Okay, let's proceed now with our fourth example. In the previous problem number 3, ang atong i-consider is natay segment lang sa atong wire nga nag-carry ang current. Karon nato na i-consider nga atong wire kay long straight conductor na atong i-consider. So you have a very long, di ba katong kanina nga i-problem, ma-notice na to nga nagmatter ang length sa segment sa atong wire. Kanindi anhi if ang atong wire kay dako na kay siya, I mean infinite na ang wire na to compared sa kanang imuhang kuan sa field point yan dili na mag-matter ang dili na maka-affect ang katas-on sa wire. What would affect is ka- ang katulang kung pilang current sa wire ug ang field point niya gikan sa conductor nato. So a very long straight horizontal wire carries a current such that 8.20 times 10 to the 18 electrons per second pass any given point going from west to east. So what are the magnitude of direction of the magnetic field this wire produces at a point 4 centimeter directly above it? So meaning to say, kaning 4 centimeter na to mo ni ang atong R distance from the wire, and then natay current then based on the number of electrons nga ni pass through the kuan this that portion of the wire, and there are 8.20 times 10 to the 18 electrons passing through the wire per second. So per second na, so remember na in this case ang atong equation karon is given by the equation of mu sub 0 I over 2 pi r. So matong giingon ato lang wala na nagmatter ang length nato dinhi. So this is just ang current I nato ng atong r. So nanatay r dali nga 4 centimeters but wala tay current dinhi. So we have to find first our current, and remember nga ang current nato is simply equal to the total charge per unit time or the charge per unit time. So you have Q over I Q over T dianha. But again wala gyapon tay given dani nga naka-column. Ang naa nato diri is natay electron kuno, natay electron. We know the charge of the electron, and then there are a lot of electrons nga nag-move. So meaning to say ang Q nato dani is the total number or the total charge of all the electrons nga nag-move. So that would be N times the charge of the electron. So ang N nato is kanang 8.20 times 10 to the 18 kibali. So you have 8.20 times 10 to the 18 times the charge of the electron. So again kay kung ano ni ha, separation of charges naman na siya. So although it's an electron pero ang atong i-take nga value is ang absolute value lang sa charge nato. So 1.602 times 10 to the negative 19 column over 1 second kay per second man. So the current through the wire is 1.31 amperes. So from this one, our magnetic field would then be 4 pi times 10 to the negative 7 Tesla meter per ampere times 1.31 ampere divided by 2 pi times 4 centimeter or 0.04 meter. And that is now 6.55 times 10 to the negative 6 Tesla. So, kani siya. By the way, ang atong gikuan dani is that, paano man ni siya, magnitude lang. So, take note ha, as na mention by the way, if, if assuming ka lang nga, just assume nga na kay, or let's say for example, place a pen right beside your screen karon. So use that screen as your wire, and then ang imuhang current daw through that pen is from west to east man. So from west to east, so kung mag-curl ka karon, kung mag-curl ka, so notice nga ang imuhang fingers karon, ang imong thumb ay of course balik ta. I-point ang imong thumb from west to east man. So meaning to say padulong sa right ang imong current karon. So nakalisa electrons from west to east ang imong electrons, no? Okay, sorry, my bad. Since ang imong electron is from west to east, so that means to say ang positive charges would move from east to west, which is padulong sa left. So kung mag-right hand rule ta, di ani nga case karon, mag-right hand rule ta, ang atong current is padulong sa left. So kung mag-curl ta, karon mag-curl ta, ibabaw sa imong right hand, ang imong curl is padulong pasaka. I mean, not pasaka, pa inward kibali. So natay inward nga magnetic field karon with respect sa ato ang wire nga from with the current na from east to west. East to west ang atong current ani ha, kay ang atong electrons kay nag-movement from west to east. So again, the magnetic field is 6.55 times 10 to the negative 6 Tesla. And in this case, this is negative K hat ang atong direction diyan ha. Okay, we'll have our, I think this is the last example. No, second to the last example na to. So we now have two long straight parallel wires. So parallel and ka wire na to dani. In this case, notice nga ang symbol na to dani is circle. So pasabot nga ang atong current na to karon dani is outward. So ang atong wire kibali is na parallel sa z-axis ang atong wire. And then ang atong current is on the z-axis side and it's pointing towards us. Ang direction sa current na to is pa outward. And remember, mama to, x kung inward, circle, or dot kung outward. So since we have dot, circular dots here, the direction of the current are outward. And in both wire, same ang current, same po ang direction. And the two wires are now separated by 10 centimeter. So uh, each carry 4 amperes of current moving outward. So ang pangutana nato diani karon is that we are to find the magnitude and direction of the magnetic field at the following points. So we have point 1. Ang point 1 is ang midway between the wire. So meaning to say in between ani nila. And since they are separated by 10 centimeter, that means to say the distance of the point 1 from each wire is 5 centimeters. And then on the other hand, ang point 2 is 25 centimeter to the right of P1. So P1 kay nato kinaaman diri sa center. So meaning to say kung 25 centimeter padulong diadto, that means to say lahi-lahi sa distance with respect sa kaning nasa right wire nato ug kaning naa nato sa left wire. So ato nang malikan atong i-analyze. So since duha naman ta ka wire anhi, ang atong magnetic field nato at any given points would be the total of the uh, nga ma-create kung pila man gani ang present nga wire. So since there are two wires, so you have the magnetic field due to the left wire and the magnetic field due to the right wire. Wherein, for each of the wire, ang symbol na to or atong magnetic field is given by the equation ng mu sub 0 I over 2 pi r. So kaniya nga to ang D nato. So atong i-apply daan ang atong i-apply for each of the situation. So in the first part, since naman sa midway ang point 1, matong ingon ganina ang atong RL, ang atong R na to from the left wire o sa right wire kay parehas ng 5 centimeter. So parehas sila. So diyan pwede na to parehas lang current, pareha pa sila og R. So meaning to say ma-solve na nato ang B, ang magnitude sa imong B diyan ha. But before na to siya i-solve, kay remember ang magnetic field kay vector man siya and general. So pwede sa dato tan-awon sa daan kung unsa may direction sa duha ka magnetic field due to the left and right wire. So again, try to balik ta ani nga di ani nga part. So i-try og place ang inyong right hand karon diri sa right wire, diri sa right wire. And then remember na ang atong current is outward man. So meaning to say, ang imong curl sa imong finger karon is naa sa diri sa left side sa imong wire is pa downward. So take note with respect sa wire left right wire, ang imong magnetic field diri sa katong point 1 is downward. Now, diri na punta sa left wire. Diri na punta sa left wire, again, imong i-press imong thumb through the wire karon and then imong i-curl imong kamot since ang imong field point karon kay naa na naman karon sa right side sa imong wire. Karon, ang tuyo karon sa imong curl sa imong fingers is pasaka na. So remember sa right wire, ang imong curl is downward. Sa left wire, ang imong curl is upward. So, opposite sila og direction. So, since opposite man sila og direction, the same ra sila og magnetic field, meaning to say, kung pareha og value, pero opposite og signs sa direction, then mag-cancel out ra sila. So, again Same ra ang current sa imuhang duha ka wire, so the same ra pud ang magnetic field. But by right hand rule, ang ato ang current sa sa duha ka wire kay opposite. So positive, ah, okay. So in this case, we know matong ingon ganina sa left wire nato, ano sa left wire nato, it points upward or positive Y, and sa right wire it points negative Y or negative Y axis. So mag-cancel out, then the magnetic field at that point, at point 1, due to the two wires, is equal to zero. So at that point exactly, at that particular nga point, ang magnetic field ana sa in between jud nila, along the axis, along the line connecting them at the midpoint, is zero if they are on the same nga direction. But if ang isa gani kay pa-out, pa-inward, then mao tong ma-add ang duha na dayon. So kung ning ato nga case ha, ma-add ang duha kung kuan, kung sana, kung ang isa is outward or inward kibali. So mo na siya ang result nato. So yung magnetic field nga kuan, zero for this case. For point B, for letter B, point 2, you have 25 centimeter to the right. So balik ko na to ang illustration na 25 centimeter to the right of P1. So if this is 5 centimeter ang atong P1 with respect from each uh, wire. So ang 25 centimeter na to gikan man sa center. So meaning to say, gikan sa right wire, that would be 25 minus 5. Kay gikan man dian he. So meaning to say may minus og 5 padulong dian he. Gikan diri padulong 25 diadto. So that means say gikan sa right wire padulong sa point 2, that is just 20. And gikan pud sa left wire padulong sa point 2, kay 25 naman ni gikan daan diri sa center padulong didto sa point 2. So gikan sa center padulong sa left wire plus 5. So you have 30. So remember, ang right wire is 20 centimeters away from point 2, and then ang left wire is 30 centimeters away from point 2 na dayon. So take note now that kato siya 20 and 30 centimeters to the right of each wire. So we can then calculate the magnetic field strength due to each wire. So field strength lang sa atong kwaon. So let's start with the right wire. So you have mu sub 0 I over 2 pi times R. So that is now obviously mas duol man ang right wire jud compared sa left wire nato dito sa field point. So makita nato nga karon dianhi mas dako ang ato ang magnetic field sa right wire compared sa left wire. So for the left wire, we have this one again, and our answer is 2.67 times 10 to the negative 6. But now notice, unsa may ma-form na to karon nga ang ako ang direction. So kung balikon na to ganina, balikon lang na to. Let's start with the left right wire. Kung ayaw sa imine nga naa ang imong kuan karon na imong right wire karon, so if ang left wire lang sa atong i-consider, since ang imong kuan, ang imong field point kay naa man sa right side sa imong right wire, then ang curl nato aha man pa dun ang curl. Ang curl sa atong fingers karon is upward. So pa upward ha, take note. On the right side of the right wire, your curl is upward. So meaning to say positive Y ang atong magnetic field for the right wire. Now for the left wire, atong sang walaon sa picture, ato sang tanggalon ang right wire karon para sa left wire. So sa left wire na pud ta mag-focus. Again, remember that point 2 is still to the right ra gyapon. To the right gyapon sa imuhang left wire, and the current is also outward. So meaning to say, since ang imuhang current is outward ug ang imuhang field point is again to the right of the left wire, so ang imong curl gihapon at that point, although farther from the left wire, would still be upward gihapon or pasaka gihapon ang imuhang curl nato dinha. So meaning to say, for both wire, ang aton direction sa magnetic field tungod nilang duha is puros positive positive J hat, ibali, or positive Y axis. So since pareha sa man nga positive, sa equation nato nga total, ma-add ra nato diretso ang duha ka value. So the total would be BR plus BL, and that is 4 times 10 to the negative 6 plus 2.67 times 10 to the negative 6. So we have both are pointing to the positive J axis, J hat rather, So that means say you have a total magnetic field at that point, which is 6.67 times 10 to the negative 6 Tesla J hat. So that is now our answer for our kuan, for our problem number 5. And lastly, we have number 6, a closely wound circular coil with radius of 2.4 centimeters have 800 turns. So what must be the current in the coil? Or what should be the current? What must be the current in the coil be if the magnetic field at the center is of the coil is 0.077 Tesla? And at what distance x from the center of the coil on the axis of the coil would the magnetic field be half of its value at the center? So, di ba, remember, na ako mention ganina nga there are several equations that we can use for the coil. So, kani, if naata sa katong axis, kani if naata mismo sa center sa atong coil. So, again, you have two equations here. B is equal to mu sub 0 n I over 2a. Kung isa lang ni ka-turn ha, wala tay n daan ha. So that is simply mu sub 0 I over 2a. This is at the center. And then you have this another equation. You have b is equal to mu sub 0 n I a squared over 2 times x squared plus a squared raised to 3 halves on the axis along the coil. So, on the axis of the coil rather. So, let's start with the first part nga ang ipungutan na nato karon dani is pila ang current sa coil if ang magnetic field sa center is kanisiya. So, since naman tay magnetic field sa center, we can use the first equation here. So, for our current. And remember, once na natin ma-establish kay mora man nga current ang mag-create sa magnetic field at any point along the uh, axis of the coil. So, meaning to say, ang current na to would be constant na dayon. So from letter A or from the first equation, rewriting that equation, so isaka na to ang 2A and then inaog na to ang mu sub 0 og n para ang I na lang ang mabilin dani sa right side. So ang atong equation karon sa ato ang current is equal to I equals 2 times, sorry, that is not B times, tama, B times A na siya. You have 2 times B times A. Ang A na to ha, remember, this is now the radius of our coil and you have all over mu sub 0 times n. So from that one, you have 2 times 0.077 Tesla times 0.024 meters all over 4 pi times 10 to the negative 7 Tesla meter per ampere times the 800 turns. And our current is now equal to 3.68 amperes. So this is now the current through that coil, through that 800 turns of coil, Kibali. And then, since we have already established the current through that coil, ato dahil pangitaon kung pila ang unsa may value karon sa x on the x-axis where the magnetic field is half kung sa value sa imong center. So, meaning to say we have to get the value half of this 0.077 Tesla. So, from the equation, from the second equation that I have presented a while ago, that is now b equals mu sub 0 n I a squared over all over 2 times x squared plus a squared raised to 3 halves siya nga equation. So since ang atong ipangita isang x man, so pwede na to na i-cross multiply atong isa kaning term including this 3 halves nga exponent and then inaog na to ang b. So the equation becomes x squared plus a squared raised to 3 halves. That is equal to mu sub 0 n I a squared all over 2b. So take note, cross multiply lang nato. And then next is para magawas na tong x squared ani, wala unsa nato ning 3 halves nga exponent. So if natay 3 halves nga exponent, you have to multiply the exponent nga 3 halves by its reciprocal, which is 2/3. So kung mag-multiply tag 2/3 or mag-exponent tag 2/3 on both sides of the equation, makancel ang 3 halves. So ang equation karon is mahimo na din siyang x squared plus a squared na din siya. Kapit pa man ang a squared sa naka 3 halves. And then you have the right side which is now raised to the exponent of 2/3. You have mu sub 0 n I a squared all over 2b. And all of this term here is raised to 2/3 na dayon. And then para mabili na din ang x na to, then we have to transfer a squared on the other side of the equation. I-transpose na to siya, and that becomes now x squared is equal to the term na mu sub 0 n I a squared over 2b raised to 2/3 minus a squared na dayon. So we can, from this point, pwede na nato i-substitute ang atong answer, and then square root na din nato ang ato ang kuan, ang ato ang answer. So we have mu sub-zero nga 4 pi times 10 to this negative 7 Tesla meter per ampere. You have N nga 800, the current nga 3.68 amperes, and then you have the radius of the coil nga 0.024 meter raised to 2. And then you have 2 times half the magnetic field man. So half sa magnetic field, so half sa ato ang 0.077. So makancel ra ang 2, di ba? Cancel lang diyan nga part. And then minus our radius sa coil nga 0.024 meters squared. So our x squared then would be 3.39 times 10 to the negative 4 meters squared. But remember that this is still our x squared. So that means to say we have to square root this one, and ang atong answer is either positive. Anong natin positive negative di anhi? Kaya nag-indicate man na siya nga it's either sa ibabaw or sa ubos ani imong centers. For example, kani nga point na ang atong center, kani pud nga point. So we would always have the same value of magnetic field at at an equal distance x above and below the center point dianhi nato. For example, kani nga case. So our answer then would be the 0.018 meters, or that is now 1.8 centimeter. Positive minus or positive negative 1.8 centimeters. Okay, so that would be all. So later I will upload the file, or I will send on the GC sa inyong assignment for tomorrow, Ibal.